there, welcome to Clini Experts channel. I am Ansha Khurana, a regulatory expert who has been helping companies like yours for over 10 years. At Clini Experts, we have been guiding pharma and life sciences companies through India's complex regulatory process for more than 15 years. Whether you are a foreign manufacturer or an Indian importer, we help you get your pharma approval fast and hassle-free. Today, we are diving into the three hows of the Sugam portal. First, how to file for a registration certificate or RC or Form 41. Second, how to avoid common issues. Third, how to renew your certificate on time. By the end of this video, you will walk away with three key takeaways. First, how to file for an RC easily on the Sugam portal. Second, the difference between Form 40, Form 41 and Form 10. Third, tips to avoid mistakes and delays. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a registration certificate or RC? If you want to import pharma products into India, you will need something called a registration certificate. It is an official approval from the Indian Drug Authority CDSCO that confirms your product is registered in India. This applies to foreign manufacturers, Indian importers. Once approved, the RC is valid for 3 years. But you will need to renew it on time or your import will be blocked. Section 2. Registration certificate for foreign manufacturers and importers. For companies outside India, you will need to provide a few important documents. A valid manufacturing license, a valid GMP certificate, a free sale certificate or certificate of pharmaceutical product from your country, a technical file with full product details along with information about your manufacturing facility and quality checks. It sounds like a lot, but we have handled this for many global clients at Clini Experts. We make sure all your documents are correct and submitted properly the first time. Section 3. Using the Sugam portal step by step. The Sugam portal is where you file online for your registration certificate. Here's how it works. First, log in or register on the portal. Second, go to registration certificate and click apply. Third, choose the correct form, Form 40, Form 41 or Form 10. Fourth, upload your documents, GMP certificate, batch records, stability data and more. Fifth, pay the fee online. Sixth, submit and get your tracking number. Seems simple, right? But here's the thing. Small errors can lead to big delays. That's why our team does a full check before submission. Section 4. Documents required for registration certificate filing. Before you apply, make sure you have these documents ready. A valid manufacturing license, a valid GMP certificate, free sale certificate or certificate of pharmaceutical product from the country of origin, power of attorney in the name of your Indian agent, product label and packaging artwork, details of your manufacturing site, specification and testing method for the product, batch manufacturing record if requested, and payment receipt. Having this ready upfront will save you time and prevent back and forth with CDSCO. Section 5. Form 40 versus Form 41 versus Form 10. Let's make sense of the different forms you will need during this process. Form 40 is an application form. It is submitted by the Indian agent or importer on behalf of a foreign manufacturer. Use it to apply for a registration certificate. Form 41 is the actual certificate you receive. It confirms that the pharma product and the manufacturing site are now registered in India. Form 10 is issued to apply for an import license, which allows you or your distributor to legally bring the product into India. In short, submit Form 40 to apply, receive Form 41 as your certificate, use Form 10 to import your product. We guide you step by step so nothing gets missed. Section 6. RC renewal. Don't miss it. Remember, registration certificates are valid for 3 years. You should apply for renewal at least 3 months before the expiry. If you miss the deadline, you won't be allowed to import your product. Your distribution will stop, penalties may apply. At Clini Experts, we send reminders and handle your renewal smoothly. So you are always covered. Section 7. Timelines and validity. Here's what you should know. It usually takes 60 to 90 days to get your RC processed. Your registration certificate is valid for 3 years from the date of approval. Understanding the full process helps you plan better and avoid last-minute issues. Section 8. Troubleshooting and common mistakes. Let's look at some common issues people face on the Sugam portal and how to fix them. First, CIN already exists. This means your company is already registered, just log in instead of creating a new account. Second, missing attachments. Always double check your document checklist before submitting. Third, payment errors. Try switching your browser or use a different payment method like net banking or UPI. We have solved these issues many times when you work with Cleany experts. We handle all of it for you so you can focus on your business. Final recap. Let's quickly go over the 3 key takeaways from today. First, filing on the Sugam portal is easy when you know the right steps. Second, choosing the correct form, Form 40, Form 41 or Form 10 is crucial. Third, avoiding delays and renewing on time saves you time, money and stress. If you are planning to file or renew your registration certificate, Cleany Experts is here to support you every step of the way. We have helped many clients and we would be happy to help you too. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation or visit our website to learn more. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more regulatory tips every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.